Well, we're at Lamar Alexander Rocky Fork State Park this morning in Tennessee, close to Erwin, and we're going to do the Cliff Trail, which is supposed to be just about a 1 mile trail up to a pinnacle and a lookout, and so that's what we're going to do today.
Yeah, it's supposed to be kind of steep, and it's also the first time that we've ever gone on this trail, so we are actually taking an M&M adventure today. So come go with us. Lamar Alexander Rocky Fork State Park is located approximately an hour outside of Kingsport, Tennessee, about 30 minutes outside of Johnson City, and 30 to 45 minutes from Asheville, North Carolina. We very much enjoyed our visit to this park, and we plan on coming back and checking out several of their other trails. You can kind of see some of the cliffs over through the trees. Just a little. What is that?
American chestnut. See the difference in the leaves, and nothing else looks exactly like that. That's awesome. That is American chestnut. Right on top of the knob.
There are other trailheads accessible from the parking area, and we decided to stroll up just a little way up the beginning of one of them to stretch our legs out a little bit after our hike, and we found these beautiful waterfalls. So this is a park that you definitely want to come back and check out some of the other areas. Also, don't forget to stop by the visitors area. You make a right turn as you come back out to the main road, and it's just a short drive from the park access. Come back and go with us again on our next M&M adventure. We'll see you later.